Have you ever seen the Niaser Waterfall in Kashan? Or have you ever bought stuff from the local people?
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are so happy to have you here. Today we are going to visit one of the other attractions in Kashan province. We call it in Persian Niaser Waterfall. So if you're interested in seeing this place, please walk with us today and let's see what's happening in today's vlog. Now we are going to visit Niaser Waterfall in Kashan, and I heard that there's a beautiful place. I will take videos for you. And do you have something to say?
No, actually, I think there's 5 minutes walking, and the weather is also good.
It's very hot. I don't know what we call it in English, but people usually put them on the tea, and it got delicious. I probably shouldn't say this to you, but if I want to be honest with you, Niaser Waterfall doesn't worth visiting, and I will tell you why. It was really crowded, and it doesn't have any special things to see there. And when you walk there, it was really far from the rosewater ceremony place, and when you decided to visit there, there were a lot of people who were visiting this place, and you saw many kids who were walking around and running. And you know, if I have the choice to not visiting there, I will definitely do that, but it was part of our tour guide, and we didn't know that this place hasn't something special where we can see in other places. But if you have the chance to visit Kashan, keep that in mind, that you can see a lot of other beautiful places beside the Niaser waterfall. But there were something interesting in there that I will tell you in the next part.
مال خودمه نمیدم تو نوارش رکانی
خانم چند وقت ازم براتون آمدنی بستن
میخوای شربت بگیری؟ So if you're interested in our vlogs and the videos like us, don't forget to watch the video till the end because it really helps us. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks anyway for your support and love.
سلام.
شیراب خوردن شده دست به لولا نخوره آره شیراب خوردن آب مانک آبی هم
In this part of the video, you can see a shop which name is Stone House, and it was a store shop for selling some rosewater extractions, and the design of it it belongs to a decade ago, and it has been there for a long time. And it was really interesting because in this part of the video you can see a baby which the local shoppers put on the rose petals, and it was really funny and I really liked this part of the video.
این گلاب پیری نیاسر کاشان اینجا هم سال 84 خودم از زیر خاک در آوردم روش زندگی میکنم نعنا گل خوش کرد یه جات محلی یادتون نره
In fact, if I want to be honest with you guys, the only reason that I love this place and it worth visiting for me, that I could see that local people and talk to them and visit some special and historical stores in there. But the Niaser waterfall itself doesn't have the worth to take your time to visit there because it was an ordinary waterfall. But if you love visiting the waterfall, it might be interesting for you. But for me, it wasn't really interesting. But the positive point of visiting there was that you can see the local people. So if you're watching this, it means that you watched the whole video. It really means a lot to me because it motivates us to make better videos for you. So thanks for your support and hope you enjoy today's vlog. Bye!